Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exit a game in 8-ball pool. If you ever need to exit a game in 8-ball pool, then here is how you do it. First of all, go ahead and launch open your 8-ball pool application and make sure that you're inside the game. Now, if you ever want to quit the game or if you want to leave a match when you're stuck or need to step away, then you can simply go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. In the pop-up, click on the leave button. In the pop-up, click on leave once again, but remember that if you leave now, your opponent will win the match. Tap on leave if you are sure, and there you have successfully exited or left a match in 8-ball pool. That's how it's super easily done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more gaming tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.